Hello, welcome to a video from AnandBapu.com. Today it's about arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is a series where the terms are separated by a common difference. To explain what that means, I'll give an example. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is an arithmetic series because there is a common difference of 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. That is also why the series 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 is not an arithmetic series because the differences are not constant. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, and this is 8. So obviously it isn't. So let us make up a arithmetic series in which the first term is called A. The common difference is D. And finally, the number of terms is N. So what would such a series look like? Well, as we told, the first number would be A. The second number would be A plus D. The third number would be A plus 2D. Notice that the first number had no D, so you could say this is equivalent to A plus 0D. The second number had A plus 1D. The third number had A plus 2D. So if you went all the way until N, it would be A plus N minus 1D. So if you ever know A, D, and N, and you're asked to find what the nth number is, you could plug in this formula. For example, if I told you this was an arithmetic series, 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14 was an arithmetic series, and I wanted you to tell me the 12th number, you know that 2 is A, 3 equals D, and 12 equals N. So the A sub 12, or the 12th number, equals A plus N minus 1D, or 2 plus 3 times 11. So 2 plus 3 times 11 is 2 plus 33. 2 plus 33 is 35. So how would one calculate the sum of such a series? So let's say S is equal to the sum of A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D all the way until plus A plus N minus 1D. So how would you calculate the sum of that? So if you want to try this out, click the pause button and then rejoin once you've got it. So if you want to see how it's done, well, write it backwards. S equals A plus N minus 1D, A plus N minus 2D, plus A plus N minus 3D, plus A. So add both of these together. We get 2S equals 2A plus N minus 1D plus 2A plus N minus 1D plus 2A plus N minus 1D plus plus 2A plus N minus 1D. So how many of these 2a plus n minus 1d's are there? As we recounted, there are n terms. So 2s equals n times 2a plus n minus 1d. Finally, the sum is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1d over 2. So let's try to simplify that formula. A, which is the first term, plus a plus n minus 1d is the last term. So if we wanted to, we could write this as a sub 1 plus a sub n for first term, nth term, over 2 times n, or the number of terms. And how do you calculate n, this number of terms? Well, you can do it like this. N equals a sub n minus a sub 1 over d plus 1. And this makes sense because look, this is a plus n minus 1d. If you subtract a from that, you get n minus 1d. Divide that by d, you get n minus 1. Add a 1 to it, and you get n. So this formula works. Let us move on now to an example. So let us calculate the sum of the series 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus all the way until 27. So first, a is equal to 3, obviously because it's the first term. Now the difference is 3 again. And what is the number of terms? So 27 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1 equals, well, that is 24 over 3 plus 1. So a plus 1 equals 9. You could have simply done that by seeing that this is the multiples of 3, but this is more reliable. So n equals 3. So now let us calculate this. So a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2 times n equals the sum. So the sum equals 3 plus 27 over 2 times, what's the number of terms? Not 3. What am I doing? 9. So the sum equals 30 over 2 times 9. So the sum equals 15 times 9 equals 135. So thank you for watching this video. On the left will be a subscribe button. Click it, support me and subscribe. And on the right are two new videos for you to watch. Thank you very much for watching this video.